Hello viewers, today is Tuesday, December 8th, and this will be the second Christmas lights progress update video. Let's turn everything on here. Not doing too bad. I'm about a week or two behind, but it's coming together. I just put this up this morning and it looks like that's working perfectly. This has been very reliable ever since I got it. Something doesn't seem quite right with this string here. I think something's tangled up. I gotta look at that later. All the lights are working on there, so that's good. I added some lights over here since last video. Oh, the figurines out and lights on there. I gotta plug a few things in still, the candles. And I need to do kind of like a general maintenance day because there's a handful of strings that have some bulbs out. And you really don't want to run the mini lights with bulbs out for any length of time because they're wired in series, and so what happens is when a bulb goes out, that's very deceptive. It is out, but it looks like in the camera it's on. The mini lights are wired in series, so when the voltage, or when a bulb goes out, the voltage to all the other ones exponentially increases with the number of bulbs that go out, and that shortens the lifespan of the other bulbs. So it's not doing anybody any favors to run them with bulbs out. So I always try to change those as quickly as possible. And there was a minor X10 glitch in here last night. Seems to have solved itself. But this is what we have in the bedroom here. I don't know why this tree didn't come on. It should have come on. There it goes. So the bedroom is looking pretty good. Again, I gotta plug in a few more things. Gotta plug in the candles. Gotta put some batteries in those lights over there. Get them on that tree. Gotta put some batteries in most of the village stuff. That was the module that was having a problem last night. Let's see if it'll work now. Did a dedicated video on that. It made a fool out of me because it worked just fine. Now it's continuing to work fine. I'm not going to complain about things working fine, but that is a little ridiculous. Put this snowflake up yesterday. Still have to do all the garland along here. The projectors, got to put the candles in that window. Did most of the bathroom lights. I just have to put the tree out still. I got to figure out how I plugged that in last year. I know there's two X10 modules, but it's a little bit complicated because the wire has to get over there to that tree. But these are all up and they're all working. A couple of bulbs out here and there, so we'll get those changed. Otherwise, everything in here is working. So that's where we're at today. Maybe tomorrow I'll get this garland up, and then perhaps on Thursday it'll be finished.